Then we've been talking about maintenance, and we want to extend the life of the roof as long as possible. And I know that when we purchase a car, we usually get an owner's manual, and that has a maintenance schedule in there. So is there a maintenance schedule or something for a roof? Like, how often should we inspect it?
So different areas of the country are different. Different climates require different inspection intervals. In Southern California, generally, 5 years is a reasonable period of time. If your roof's in decent shape and you don't have anything on your roof that's compromising, like you don't have trees growing on it or anything like that, typically 5-year interval of inspection is a reasonable time for the roof itself. And if you clean the debris and seal and paint the pipes, or the flashings that are up there, the penetrations on the roof. If you have a tile roof, check for cracked tile or anything like that. If you have a shingle missing, at 5-year intervals, pretty typically you're going to be okay.